Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about Inktense color combinations, more specifically pink color combinations. Pink is one that everyone struggles with Inktense because, well, there is not a ton of pink, and so then you kind of get stuck thinking, well, how am I going to make a lot of pink? I struggled with it myself. However, I was finally able to finish my pink combos. This is up in my Etsy store. I will be slowly releasing each color family as I finish it, and then I'll do one big packet, but also I'm going to be doing second pages for some colors. Pink, probably not. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, you got 28 to work with right here, right? Can I math? Yeah, I think that's 28. 28 pink combos, and they don't repeat. There's some that are similar, but it's to give you different shading options. But this is a great place to start. And then I also included, mixing in some blues and some oranges if you're kind of going for a sunset. But yeah, definitely check out my Etsy store. Follow me here, of course, on Instagram. I try to post anytime I upload a new one. I actually have orange done. Green will actually end up green, blue, and possibly another color family. Will end up being 2 to 3 pages total. We're talking 50 to possibly 70 color combinations. So that's why I said there will be a packet that'll release and then I'll have supplements. But I wanted to show you pink because pink is a difficult one. So I'm going to grab, we're going to do this one here. Now, some of these do require that you have the new pencils, but if you don't have them, just supplement them with something else. It's not a big deal. Not every single combo uses ones that come from the new ones either. I purposely did that so that no one was like, well, I don't have the new colors. So let me show you how to use these. So they're already done. They're activated on this chart, but I'm going to show you how to use them on an actual page so that you can, well, color. Okay, so I am just pulling out one of my Gnomes books. I tend to use Inktense in these a lot. So we're going to use one of the 3 color combos. I did anywhere from 3 to 4 and all the way up to 6 in some. So here is the combo, and I basically go dark to light. So you want to follow these in the order they are. But for example, deep rose. Gonna put that down. And again, you want to put this down lightly. Now, I also have a video on most common mistakes made with Inktense. I highly suggest you go watch that because while you could have a combo right in front of you, if you're not using your Inktense properly, you're not going to get the most out of them. So you want to keep that in mind. Okay. The next thing is having your water brush primed and ready to go. Now I've laid the color down, but I am going to activate light to dark, so I'm going to gently get this blue going, squiggle it into the pink, wipe it off, get the pink going, squiggle it into this nice deep rose here. Okay. And notice how I was very gentle to blend them all in. Now, that's the combo right there. Obviously, on a big thing here, it's going to look lighter, whereas it's concentrated there, but that's your combo. Now, say I want more pink. I'm just going to pull a little bit off the tip here. I'm just going to work more pink in there. I want it to be a little bit more pinky. And then I want just a little bit more of this blue, so I'm just pulling off the tip and adding it in, and then allow it to dry, because that's the thing with Inktense. If you don't let Inktense dry, well, it doesn't work out very well. But that's also in my beginner mistakes that I really hope you guys have watched, because it's kind of crucial if you're going to do any of these combos. Now, I would finish this flower, and then most likely, if I wanted to be a little crazy, I would take either the same deep rose that's part of the combo and go back in and shade it. And that's what's great about these combos, is if you think, oh, well, it needs a little more shading, you can go back in dark or dry and add some shading. There's no rule that you have to activate every layer of Inktense. So it's really up to you. So I highly suggest watching that video. But yes, these are the latest and greatest 28 pink color combos. They are on my Etsy. I'll link it. I used to do Ko-fi, and I know you're probably wondering why I don't. And listen, please keep these snarky comments to yourself. These sheets I sit down and make and take hours. The pinks alone, because pinks were quite tedious, these pinks alone took me several days. And I decided, you know what, I'm going to put them up on my Etsy. They're all really cheap on my Etsy, but also with Ko-fi, the problem is I was starting to get fees from Ko-fi, but then fees also when it would transfer to my PayPal. So when someone would, donate 50 cents, $1, I actually was getting like 20 cents. So your money donated was going to them and not even to me. So that's the other reason I put it on Etsy. You're buying it and it's there. But also other people can find it who need help, who may not watch my channel. So that's why it's on there. You don't have to. I will actually give these out for free to channel members. So if you are on my highest tier membership, you will actually get this put as a download. So don't go buy it because you can actually just download this for free as part of your membership. So, and I'm going to be updating my channel memberships that way, because before everything was free, that way certain memberships will just get these for free as a thank you. But I do want to touch on a topic real fast for just future reference for anyone watching when you see when you see color combinations. All colorists have color combinations. It's really hard to color without them, okay? But we all have our own color combination series. None of us are copying one another. I know myself and my Colorful Country Life have made jokes about this, but we overlap. She's doing Inktense now. I started Inktense a while ago and took a break. I'm not snarky that she's beating me to it. She's not snarky that I'm doing some. Thing is it's funny, we actually compare and we don't have a lot of overlap. So, yes, we are both making color combinations, but you should honestly look at both of us and grab both because you just doubled your combos. Same with anyone else. Will there be some overlap? Sure, because there's only so many ways to make color combinations with pencils. But everybody's unique with their coloring style, and you're going to notice very different combinations. So don't just go, oh, they copied because they made color combos. No, think of it as I might have an opportunity to grow my combo chart. You could end up with hundreds of the same pink, or not the same, but same color. Hundreds of pinks, hundreds of greens. So keep that in mind. But whether it's on my channel or anyone else's, please keep that in mind before you quickly go down there and write a comment. Because believe it or not, usually the YouTuber that you are defending or you think is being copied is actually sitting there coordinating with the other one. So we're more than aware of all that. If we were up in arms and someone stole our stuff, we would tell you. This is a close-knit community. So I want you to keep that in mind. Now, I would love to know what color you would like to see next with Inktense. I'm working on Prisma as well. I'm working through my ChromaFlow, my drawing pencils. So please in the comments below, tell me what you want to see. But I'm also working on hair combos. I need to get back to that. Pumpkins I gave up on till fall. I'm working on leaves and different pencils as well. You guys, I could sit here and make color combination sheets probably until I retire. So I'm trying to slowly put out one per series. So whether it's pencils or markers, even Ohuhu markers, let me know. And a color family, and I will get on it. So comment below the brand, the color family, or an object. Do you want metals? I can do metals, but if you want metals, do you want that in Prisma or a few different varieties? Like, do you want to see gold in multiple pencils, or do you want to just see a bunch of golds from Prismacolor? Got to be specific, because like I said, this could become an endless combo affair. I'm actually keeping a running list and a chart, and it branches off, and it's a little scary right now. I actually have to go in and adjust it. So, welcome to the pink color combinations. I will get another video up soon. I'm going to try and release a combo sheet a week of some sort so that you have something to do. And then I was thinking when I resume my streams, hopefully next weekend, maybe the weekend after, we will do combos live together because I like to stream and do color combos live. So hope you enjoy these 28 pink combinations. Again, you don't have to have all of them. And until next time, take care. Bye now.